guys, I wanna do a quick recap trade video. I didn't took this trade because I didn't see it as a trade. I mean, I didn't saw it as a trade, and I wasn't home at that time, so it kind of played a big role. But looking today for the day where we can remove this for a little. So on the daily we are bearish. We're looking at the previous day low got taken. Also, we don't need that. And that, and that, and that, and that. So we're looking at the previous low got taken as we expected to. Then moving further down the line, we're seeing a big retrace and forming this New York low on the previous day low. Also, the price is moving down. It's going down. So, we mark the key opens, the midnight open, the 16.00 open, and the 10 a.m. open. Then we scale down in time frame. We have the 9:30 market open with this big candle. At 8:30 we had news. We had news still. We have in a couple hours the President Trump that is gonna speak. I think it's gonna be big move down or a big move up, depending on what is he gonna say. So based on the 8:30, it wasn't a big move, wasn't a CPI, PPI, wasn't none of that. So scaling to the 5-minute time frame, we see a big down movement for that. And from here on the 5-minute, we could see a big wick that gets formed on the 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle, oops, sorry. Boom, we got this wick. Also, we can say we got another block here. Wait. Let's see on the 1 minute. Yeah. Also, we got, it's a good rejection block. Yeah. Because it also has a fair value gap in it. And I think it sweeps, yeah, it sweeps this high. Sweeps that high. So it's a good rejection block. Moving to the 5-minute. Fuck. I think. So it sweeps that. Liquidity sweep. We got this engineered liquidity right here. Also, that is the gas swept. And from that, we can enter. I usually enter at the 50% of this week. 50%, which is like that line right there. So if you go short, just put it in here. You go short at what price we get filled in. So we get filled right there. Usually I would do a 15-point stop. So if I would have done 15 point right here, 15 points, it would have edged my stop loss. And also what I would have done is put my take profit to the 10 a.m. key open right here. So it's a little trade, yep. I mean from here till here, 55 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, I don't like to be in a trade that much. Like by looking at these candles right here. Boom. That's a 20 minute. 20 minute. Going from here to here, 15 minutes. You know, it's a lot less, but it's worth it because we got 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. You could also target. I also do 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, which would have got filled right there. So it's like 1 minute, 1 minute. No, I could 5 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah. But that's if you got a 10 a.m. open, a midnight open, 1600 open, no, 1800 open. I would take that, I would prefer that. So 1 to 10 is to reward ratio. Also remember that we were bullish for the day. That's why I would take this trade and not this, not this movement up because we're bearish, as I said. And yeah, that's the recap of the trade. So remember, liquidity sweep, uh, it's a good rejection block if we got a liquidity sweep, engineer liquidity, that got swept, then I played a big role in here. Also that we set this New York low, this Asia low, was great. I was thinking that I was bearish for the day, but I was thinking that we're going to reverse with this move. I was thinking that we're going to reverse still here somewhere, to here, maybe sweep the Asia high, and then go back, and then go back. But no, it didn't happen. Didn't happen.